Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to create Easter coloring book. The method that we are going to learn today is going to be a super easy method, but having said that, there are going to be subtle tips and tricks that you need to follow in order to create this coloring book. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, and without any further delay, let's start the today's video. So first of all, we are going to go to canva.com because we are going to be using Canva to create our coloring book interior. So after going to Canva, simply hit on this create or design tab and select this custom size. We are going to be creating our coloring book of the size of 8.5 by 11 inches. So simply hit on 8.5 by 11 inches in this width and height section. This is the interior without any bleed because we are going to be using margins in our coloring book, so we do not require any bleed. So after creating this artboard, we are going to open a new tab and head on to Creative Fabrica to get our graphics. If you have got Creative Fabrica subscription, you can get all the graphics that is available on their website without any restrictions. So go to Creative Fabrica and simply search for Easter digital stamps. So let's search for Easter digital stamps. So after searching for this search term, make sure to select this special license because we don't want any graphics that doesn't have the full print on demand license. What this license allows us to do is it allows us to use the graphics without any modifications, although we are going to modify the graphics that we download, but just to stay on the safe side, we are going to be using this special license. So select some of the graphics from these results. So as you can see, here are bunch of different illustrations that are colorable that we can use to create our book interior. So let's select this graphics that is at the top of the search result. You can select various different graphics according to the coloring book that you are creating. So as you can see, here is a graphics with different Easter eggs and Easter genomes, or what it is called, Easter genomes, cupcakes, happy Easter clip art. So as you can see, here are different Easter digital stamps. So simply download some of them. So I am just going to download this first one. So I have extracted the files and we have got two different folders. One folder has got this files in the JPG format, another in the PNG format. The files in this folder has got, in this PNG folder has got transparent background, and actually it doesn't matter if the background is transparent or not for the type of coloring book that we are creating. So we can use files from any one of the folder. So let's just go to this transparent background folder, and as you can see, various different beautiful Easter related illustrations are available. So now we are going to upload some of these illustrations to Canva. So let's head on to canva.com. So after going to Canva, we are going to go to this uploads tab and click on this upload media and select our file. So I have uploaded this one illustration here. So we are going to simply drag and drop this uploaded illustration. So after placing our illustration on the artboard, now we are going to get various different elements that we are going to use to decorate this page. So to get the elements, we are again gonna go to Creative Fabrica and we are going to search KDP coloring book stamps. So after you search for KDP coloring book stamps, you are going to select this first result, which is the illustration bundle by Arts by Natty. So simply select that and download it. So I have downloaded the bundle and also extracted some of the folders that were in the bundle. So as you can see, this bundle has got variety of different clip arts that you can use to create your coloring book. It has got clip arts related to fruits, ice cream, flowers, balloons, trees, and a bunch of different illustrations. So let's just take a look at some of them. So as you can see, these are plain illustrations that we can use to decorate our coloring book. So these are really simple and beautiful illustrations that we can use in our coloring book creation process. So now what we are going to do is upload some of these illustrations to Canva. So let's head on to Canva. I have uploaded some of the illustrations from that bundle. Now we are going to use these illustrations to create our coloring book. So let's just use some of the illustrations. So what we are going to do is position these illustrations in the artboard. Simply press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste, copy and paste the element. Now let's use this cherry. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy and paste it. So as you can see, we have created this beautiful Easter coloring book. Now what we are going to do is add a border around this page. So we are simply going to select this rectangle and add this border just around this margin. So after that, let's change the color to black. So this beautiful Easter coloring page is ready. In this way you can create multiple different coloring book pages. Make sure to download multiple different bundles and use the illustrations from these different bundles and combine it to create your own unique coloring book. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.